viewers, welcome to the YouTube channel of Krishi Katha. And today in this new MCQ session, we will be discussing about different topics of agronomy. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in the first question, the optimum temperature range for germination of wheat seeds, and the options are 10 degree to 15 degree centigrade, 15 to 20 degree centigrade, 25 to 30 degree centigrade, 20 to 25 degree centigrade, and the correct option is 20 to 25 degree centigrade. Generally, most of the crop are being germinated in this temperature. Now come to the next question. Which is the most sensitive crop to the waterlogging and drought situations? And the options are pearl millet, rice, maize, and flaxseed. And the correct option is maize. If we look at the other options, the pearl millet, we know that it is cultivated in the drought situations, or it is being a good water efficient crop. And in case of rice, it is a water loving crop and it grows generally in water loving conditions. So in the next question, which is the following irrigation methods is suitable for undulating areas? And the options are check basin method, flood method, region furrow method, and sprinkler method. And the correct option is sprinkler method. In the other methods, the check basin is usually used in fruit crops. The flood method is growing in case of rice. Region furrow is used in generally crops like potato, and sprinkler is used in plantations like tea. Generally, it being grows in near terra region of Himalayas, where undulating areas is being seen. Now in the next question, which crop belongs to the family Pedaliaceae? And the options are sunflower, safflower, sesamum, and cotton. And the correct option is sesamum. And come to the next question. CSR 101 is a newly released variety of which crop? This variety is being released in 2024 budget, along with 109 varieties of cereal and horticultural crops. It is being mentioned in budget 2024. The options are durum wheat, maize, rice, and zoar. And the correct option is rice. It is being developed as a saline soil growing or salt tolerant variety of rice. Now come to the next question. Which method requires lowest seed rate? And the options are broadcasting, dapog method, dibbling, and transplanting. And the correct option is dapog method. And in this other methods, the broadcasting, generally 25% more seeds are required compared to the traditional given seed rate. And the dapog method is generally used in rice, which takes about 1 to 2 kg per hectare of seeds. And in case of transplanting, we know that about 1/10 of the field is being used or chosen for nursery bed preparation. And in case of dibbling, it is the most useful planting method in wheat. Now come to the next question. Which is or are not a cultivable species of sugarcane? And the options are Saccharum barberi, Saccharum robustum, Saccharum spontanum, and both 2 and 3 option. And the correct option is both 2 and 3. And in case of Saccharum barberi, it generally denotes as North Indian sugarcane, and other both two are generally called as Kashful in Bengali. Now come to the next question. Which herbicide is not used in jute? And the options are 2,4-D, glyphosate, paraquat, butachlor. And the correct option is 2,4-D. As we know that 2,4-D is a broad-leaved weed herbicide, and 2,4-D also acts upon jute as a broad-leaved weed herbicide, so it can hamper the production of jute. So 2,4-D is not used in jute cropping. Now come to the next question. The Indian Institute of Farming System Research IIFSR is situated, and the options are Meerut, Dehradun, Jhansi, Karnal. And the correct option is Meerut. Now come to the next question. PUFA or PUFA is related to which crop? And the options are groundnut, flax, soybean, all of the above. And the correct option is all of the above. PUFA or PUFA is denotes as polyunsaturated fatty acids, and it also been found in avocado, walnut, and sunflower. It's generally very useful for in case of protein digestion. Now come to the next question. Which compound is a toxic compound in Mexican poppy, or we can say Agronomy mexicana? And the options are nicotinoid, solasodine, terpenoid, and alkaloid. And the correct option is alkaloid. The alkaloid sanguinarin, not sunilnarin, sanguinarin is present in alkaloid, which is very harmful to the cattle or grazing animals. Now come to the next question. Dolma is a huskless variety of which crop? And the options are barley, pearl millet, wheat, and oat. And the correct option is barley. Now come to the next question. Typhoon method of irrigation is suitable for which crop? And the correct option, then the options are sugarcane, fruit crops, paddy, and wheat. And the correct option is sugarcane. This typhoon method is generally a modified version of drip irrigation. Now come to the next question. Which species of rhizobium is used in common bean? And the options are Rhizobium phaseoli, Rhizobium melioti, Rhizobium japonicum, and Rhizobium trifoli. And the correct option is Rhizobium phaseoli. The japonicum is generally used in case of other crops, like in case of cereal crops, and the trifoli is used in barsim, and melioti is generally derived from Meliota albus or fenugreek. Now come to the next question. The family of tobacco, and the options are Tiliaceae, Cruciferi, Cucurbitaceae, Solanaceae. And the correct option is Solanaceae. Now come to the next question. Which instrument is used to measure leaching loss or leaching of the water below the ground level from surface? And the options are porometer, potometer, lysimeter, psychrometer. And the correct option is lysimeter. Here is a pictorial diagram of lysimeter installation, and please comment down below the other three options which have been used in different parameters. What are they? Now come to the next question. Which is most accessible nitrogenous fertilizer or very useful for farmers? And the options are calcium cyanamide, ammonium hydroxide, urea, calcium ammonium nitrate. And the correct option is urea. Now in the next question, blossom end rot of tomato is caused by, and the options are iron deficiency, copper toxicity, nickel deficiency, calcium deficiency. And the correct option is calcium deficiency. Now we can see here about the blossom end rot of tomato. Now the next question, the percentage of albedo of crop surface is, and the options are 16 to 23%, 23 to 30%, 30 to 37%, and 37 to 45%. And generally here the correct option is 23 to 30%. And the albedo is meaning that a crop canopy can cover the surface or hide the sunlight and reflect to the upper atmosphere. Now come to the last question. The water droplet size of below 0.5 millimeter is called, and the options are fog, frost, drizzle, and hail. And here the correct option is drizzle. And please also comment down below here about the droplet size of above 0.5 millimeter, and it is being called what. So lastly, it is the end of this video. If you like this video, then give a please a thumbs up. Comment down about your what the mistakes and what about the corrections, and also subscribe to this channel for more such new updates about agriculture. Thank you.